Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So it's been a month since I last recorded, but it's what, 2 a.m. right now, 2:30, and so I actually have some time right now to kind of work on my car. I'm actually still waiting on my brakes. I mean, it's been 2 months now. I'm prepping pretty much for Gatlinburg, Tennessee. I mean, this is what I'm doing right now. I have no idea what I'm doing. I probably just messed up this APR GTC-300 wing. But this is what I'm doing. Hold on, let me see if I get a good angle. Hold on. So I'm pretty much just breaking off the gel coat it has, and I'm gonna smooth it down and I'm gonna clear coat it myself. But yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product when it's done. All right, guys, so I got half of the wing. As you guys can see, that's yellow right there. And I mean, I scraped this one off. I mean, paint shop was charging me $400 to fix this wing. I mean, it's a lot of money. With those $400, I could buy another roll of wrap and rewrap my car. But here, let me pour some water real quick. See, oh shit, I just got wet, bro. Damn, bro. Look at that. It's gonna look pretty good, man. Look at that. See that yellow right there? Man, I'm gonna do this myself, man. Look at that. Look at that. I think that should work. That's all just residue, I believe. What if I just polish it? Oh, I'm gonna try something out. If I get done with this, I'll just polish it lightly. Clear this water out. I got some spray, but I'm not sure if that'll work. I don't know. Let's go ahead and keep doing it. I'll scrape off the other side and we'll see if recleaning this carbon fiber wing will work. If not, I mean, I'll just wrap it in carbon fiber. I mean, that's what I was planning on doing the first time. I was like, I'm gonna just wrap it in carbon fiber, but let's just see how this goes. Hopefully it works out, and this will probably be the first video on YouTube on how to re-clear a GTC-300 wing. Cause I mean, these wings, you pay what, $2 grand for a wing? So all they do is put a gel coat and a year later starts peeling. It's ridiculous. Look at this. Come on. Now that I think about it, guys, I mean, just look how thin the gel coat is. Like, bro, that ain't even thick enough, bro. Hands down, Sibon's the best. You know, use a Sibon lip. It's a little bit destroyed, but look how thick that one is. I mean, that's a thick coat. Yeah, that's thick. That's thick. This one never peeled, but you know, I ran over a possum. And look at the APR one. Look at this. Come on, bruh. Look at this. Like, that's paper thin. But let's keep it going. We getting close. We getting close. All right, guys. So here it is. I got all the gel cut out. I mean, as you guys can see, I made a freaking mess. I mean, it's not yellow no more. So I think I'm doing pretty good so far. I mean, I'm not too worried right now. I mean, it is an expensive wing. I really don't want to mess it up. But what I'm gonna try to do now is I'm gonna try to clean it up real quick. I think all that is just residue. I hope I didn't damage the carbon. I mean, it doesn't look damaged. But let me go ahead and clean this residue off. And I'll probably go ahead with the polisher and try to polish it. And if it works out, I'll take it tomorrow to the paint shop and get it sprayed. And I think we should be good to go. So hopefully they just charge me for the clear coat and spraying it, maybe $100, $200 most. But I really hope they don't say, oh, it's gonna be 400 still. They already did all the work, man. Like for real, bro. For real, y'all better hook me up, man. I did y'all work. Look at that. So let me clean this up real quick, clean the table up, and I'm gonna go ahead and try to remove this residue. All right, guys, so, I mean, here's the wing. I'll try to goof off. I mean, it doesn't really work, just turns it super white. I tried soapy water, doesn't work. Alcohol, doesn't work. And I tried gasoline, it doesn't work. But what I used was a polisher and a clear cut. And it seems to probably be doing the best job. I mean, you guys can see. You see it? And I definitely need to re-clear it. So after I get all this cleared up, I'll probably be taking it to a paint shop and just, you know, get a clear coat. But I mean, you can almost see my reflection on this now. And it's smooth. Right here, it's just a bunch of, look at that. That's from scraping with the scraper. And just, you know, going ham, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? But look at that. I'm actually really excited to get this swing back to life. And, you know, the bottom, I'm not too worried about it. I mean, there's not really no sun damage or like little scratches from being in storage. Oh, I mean, it's what, 3 a.m. now? I don't even know. I think it's 3 a.m. I'm gonna probably go to sleep right now. I'll get back to this tomorrow morning or today in the morning. I'll probably wake up like at 10, 11. And we'll definitely try to knock this down real quick. I mean, that's hella smooth. Hear the difference? So let's get this wing ready for Gatlinburg. Hopefully my car's ready by then. I mean, it's been on jack stands for damn 3 months now. So I don't know, man. Hopefully I can make it. Look at all them little swirls, man. Where that, man? Look at all that swirl action, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at all that swirl action, bro. Damn. That's from the freaking APR. Cause I didn't use no swirl machine. I used the freaking scraper, man. The scraper should have left lines up and down, man. Look at that. Look at that. Look at them swirls, man. Damn, they ugly. Look at that. Look at that. Whatever, man. I'm going to sleep, man. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys. So here it is. Same day. It's 8 a.m. now, 8:30. So I just got like 5 hours of sleep. I'm just, you know, I'm gonna finish removing this residue from the gel coat. As you can see, that's nice and smooth. That's rough. But what I'm doing right now is I'm spraying some alcohol and just, you know, scrubbing it with the rag. And after that, I'm going ahead with the polisher and the clear coat. And after that, I mean, I'm gonna try to get all this removed and take it to the paint shop. Hopefully it gets re-cleared. But that's looking pretty good. I mean, no more yellow. And I mean, here it is, guys. I'll show you how it's done. Put some alcohol. All right, so there it is. Wiped it down with some alcohol. Now let's go ahead with the polisher. Alright. Spray a little dab. Little dots, not much. Spray some conditioner so it don't break on you. And let's go ahead and polish it. Hopefully it works. Down. And there it is. Probably just one more step and it should look pretty damn new. Guys, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I've never ever done this in my life. So I definitely gotta, finish this other side right here. I'll probably take it to the paint shop today, see if he could clear coat it for me. I just want this wing done. First time doing this, I mean, doesn't look too bad. So let's keep it going and we'll see the final results after it's all cleaned up. All right, guys, my storage was full, so I deleted some storage. It's coming out pretty good. I mean, look at that. That's probably from the alcohol, but it'll come off. Spray some conditioner on it. Wipe it down real quick. Hell yeah. It's looking like new, man. Go back to this side and do it all over again. Alright guys, so I got my brother coming over here to hold the wing for me real quick. But let me wipe this down again and redo it, cause man, this thing's moving all over the place. Tired? Woke you up from your sleep? It's looking pretty damn good, bro. We hit it right here. Do this real quick. Ready? Pretty good, look. Little brother out here helping me, bro. You know what I'm saying? Now let's hit it with the perfect polish real quick. Change the pad. This one's bad now. That's trash. Hell yeah, bro. Bro, that's looking way better, bro. Alright guys, so here it is. Pretty much the wing is now complete. I got it all polished. I mean, I got the gel coat off. I mean, it was a process. But, I mean, here it is. That looks pretty damn new. So I went from having those chips. I mean, I'll post some pictures. But I had some chips. I mean, there's still that scratch right there. That one. See right there? Which I'm not too worried about. I mean, it's better than having that big chip. But that definitely looks a lot cleaner. This is the first time, I mean, I looked at YouTube videos. I looked everywhere on how to re-clear a carbon fiber hood. And people are saying get resin, fill in the cracks, do this. And I'm like, nah, man, I ain't doing none of that. So I'm going to go ahead, drive over to the paint shop real quick. See if they could spray it for me. See how much they'll quote me to spray it. If not, I might just tell them, hey, sell me a quart of clear coat. And, I got a spray gun here, so I'll probably spray it myself and we'll keep it going. But yeah, guys, that'll be it for today's video. I mean, just a little me clearing down the wing. Look at my hand, a little dirty, not much. But the brakes, they should ship out by today, man. If not, man, I'm gonna start stressing. Because this car is driving up to Tennessee, Gatlinburg, Tennessee for Slammed Enough. So I'm looking forward to that trip. I mean, I'm driving it all the way out there. Me and my boy, Rami, and maybe someone else. We'll see if they go. But that's his Benz. We're driving up these cars to Tennessee and kind of enjoy the show. And that wing's going inside this trunk. Not inside, but on top of the trunk, you know what I'm saying? Let me show you. My car is pretty much all torn apart right now. The seats are hanging. No brakes. I gotta finish installing my harness, the harness bar. And pretty much, I mean, hopefully you guys like this little quick video. Nothing big, nothing major. But thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.